Yeah. So let's go and click on OK here. Hmm. Okay. Here, if you see, it will tell you, tell me about your data. So tell us about your data. Just click on that. And then we will, what we'll do, I will start from the scratch. Just select this, click on next, click on next. And this is like a metadata which is automatically generated for you. Okay, so what I will do here, I will create few lines, like few columns in a database table directly from the record. I'm not gone to database and created anything. So from directly I'm creating it from here. Name, student email, and phone number. Phone number. Everything let it be a text only. What does three fields I am creating? I will give this as a text for now. I'll tell you later why I did it in the next class. Okay, this is for, and directly click on the next. There is no relationship, so click on the next and click on save. Once you click on the save, and just close it for now. Okay, this data, the script is, or create table script is also get downloaded here. Let's see how our table is first. Okay, go to cloud database. If you see, there will be with the application ATS student data. If you see here, if you see the structure, there will be one, exactly the same structure will be created here. If the record, if you see the record also. Okay, what I will do it now, I'm going to call this record into the site so that it will be representation will be easy for you. Okay, I'll copy it and create one more site page for this. I've not done anything till now. I've just created the table structure and the record. Okay. Now I will directly call this interface, call it into this record into the site so that I can show you how it look like from the front end. Okay. I will give the name as student onboarding. Student onboarding, what it will be displayed, and it's for student onboarding. Just create, click on create. And click on save. All this permission, you don't worry about it right now. I will tell you later. Okay. If you come here, this is a site page, how it is. What I will do, I will add one page and directly add the record. Student onboarding, student details, I can say. Student detail. And this is not the interface. This is our record list. And I will call our record directly here. ETS record and click on add. Save it here. Okay. If I go to our designer view, you can see till now site got created and record we have created. Okay. If you see here, this is like a student will record will be coming up here. Student onboarding. Student onboarding. You don't see anything here till now. Okay. What I will do, I will go to the record now. I will create one record action. You directly go to the action. Hmm, come down. and generate a record action. Okay, it will give you predefined thing like to create a means row of data, or to update the row of data, or to delete. What I will do, I will just click on create and update. I am not going to delete it for now. Okay, and click on generate. It takes some time because the object is also going to be created directly. We have not done till here, we have not done anything till now. Means directly just configuring it with just it. It's taking some time and it got generated. If you see this, this means the one process model got created and one interface is got created. So this is the record action. Record action is all the record action will be coming up here. Record action is so you to create a new row of data. To creating a brand new row of data, we will be having record action. If you want to update or delete or any means changes you want to do in the existing data, then everything will come inside the related action. This is a major difference between record action and the related action. Okay, now till now everything is got created. If you see the designer view, you can see that the one process model and one interface got created. And till now we have not means we have not created interface or process model manually. Okay, if you go to the design view here in the site page, just refresh it. You will see one more data here. Okay, here it will come new student detail. We need to add it, new student detail. So for adding, just we give the name Ravi, email address ravi@gmail.com, phone number, give the random phone number, and created by and modified by. I will do the changes later, but for now I'll give the Ravi. Okay, click on create. Once we create, you can see that this data is coming up here. Okay, once you open this one, you don't see any details till now here. So for doing the details, we need a summary. Summary can be built from here. Directly go to the record, go to the view. Yeah, we'll go here and just click on generate record view. So we'll directly generating the record view. The student is there, just click on next and click on next from here. Generate view. Close this for now. Okay, and save it. Once you do the save and you can see the summary view, it's got created. Okay, now go to the designer view. You can see one more interface got created. This summary student detail summary, it's got created to show the read-only format of your data what you have filled it. Okay, if we go to the site, just will go directly and click on this student detail application, and now if I click on one, you will see the detailed data of the what you have pre-filled data is here. Okay, if you want to update it, you need to go to the related action, click on this is a related action, and now you just need to update the data. So I'm gone and we can see that all the old data what is here, it's coming up. What I will do, I will change the phone number 111 what, and just click on save. Once you click, you can see in the student detail this phone number got updated. So you can see how easy it is to configure and do the things. But it's not like that it can be done automatically, but we have to learn it, how we did it, what all things need to be involved in this, and what all coding need to be done. So everything we need to learn. So we'll next class what I'll do, I'll create an interface and directly map those interface manually in the record and show you. Yes. Okay, now if you see this news and this related action is coming, we can have this related action here also. And I don't want to see this news and related action. So for that, what I will do here, I will directly go to the view, and this I will uncheck this no, show news view and show related action view. I don't want this right now. Okay, now but I need to show the related action. So for that, I will click on this edit summary view, and I will check this. All the related action will be coming up here. Just check this. Open in a dialog box, new tab, or same tab. You can do it directly. I just want to open in dialog box one. Click on OK, follow. Okay, and click on save. And now go to the site page, and then we will see how it look like now. Go to, let's go here, refresh the page. Now if you click on one, you can see this relate the news and summary both are gone from here now, and you can update the from here only directly from the summary view. What I will do, I will just write the name, change the name, click on save. Now you can see the name will be updated. Name got updated here. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this class. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you, everyone.